Guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back. You guys see the banner at the end of your screen. We're talking Reggae Boy star Leon Bailey. Yes, a quick one for you guys here today. Now, we're seeing multiple big platforms out of the UK, right? Speaking on Leon Bailey and a possible transfer move that might be in the works for Leon Bailey in the upcoming winter transfer window, right? And all of these reports from these big outlets in the UK are linking him to one club. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, multiple reports out of the UK are saying that Chelsea are interested and are looking at Reggae Boy Aston Villa player Leon Bailey. Let me get into the article for you guys quick and fast. See? All right, so this is in the Sun. This particular article is in the Sun, and there are articles in many other platforms. Sports Illustrated, Daily Mail, all a lot of big platforms out of the UK are talking about this. Bail out is the headline. Chelsea eye transfer for Aston Villa ace Leon Bailey to team up with England star and close friend Raheem Sterling. Sterling might be a factor in this as well, too. Let's continue to read the article. Chelsea are considering a move for Aston Villa's Leon Bailey as they look to beef up their forward line. Reports say the winger, who is close friends with Blue Stars Raheem Sterling, has enjoyed an improved season and is now thriving in the Premier League. Leon, and under the picture it says Leon Bailey is finding his feet in the Premier League. The article continues, and by the way, it's on your screen for you guys to read. Meanwhile, Chelsea have found their limp attack to be their undoing again this season, with Thomas Tuchel being sacked in September, now form collapsing under Graham Potter, and the London club are being linked to a whole range of stars with the new ownership, led by American tycoon Todd Bowley, looking likely to spend in January. Despite Villa's struggles this season, Bailey has emerged a talent after a difficult first year at the club. After his £25 million move from Bayer Leverkusen, the Jamaican struggled to adapt to the Premier League, notching up only a goal and 2 assists last season. By the way, they failed to mention his injury-laden season as well. And, that was obviously the biggest factor for his poor form last season. But he has already surpassed those numbers this season with 3 strikes and 2 assists, including a dramatic equalizer against Manchester City in September. His improvement has got the Chelsea hierarchy interested in him, according to the Mail. They will hope that Bailey can combine with his good friend Sterling to make Chelsea a more dangerous side going forward. As has become a regular theme in recent years, the Blues have major shortcomings in attack. They could make the move for Bailey if interest surfaced for American flop Christian Pulisic, and that's apparently what all of the platforms are reporting on, that this deal is dependent heavily on whether Christian Pulisic leaves Stamford Bridge. He has struggled to make an impact following an impressive first season at Stamford Bridge and has become a fringe player. Pulisic is set to feature prominently in the United States World Cup campaign. Chelsea are willing to let him go if it creates space for Bailey. The Aston Villa man has long been a target and was on Chelsea's radar even when he was at Genk and Bayer Leverkusen, and that is true. If it's one club that has consistently been heavily linked with Leon Bailey, it is Chelsea, right? This football club, Chelsea, from the beginning of his career, since before he even became a pro, right, was trying to get his signature on a piece of paper at Stamford Bridge, right? They have long been, linked with him probably almost in every transfer window since the start of his career till now. Other top clubs in England have from time to time been linked. Arsenal was linked one time, United was linked one time, City was linked one time by credible outlets, but Chelsea have always been linked to Christian Pulisic. Question: you guys think Leon Bailey could get into that Chelsea starting 11? I think he could. I think right now Leon Bailey could squeeze and play his way into that Chelsea starting 11. And also, will Raheem Sterling have a major role to play in getting this over the line? There's another headline in another publication that says Raheem Sterling hands Chelsea huge advantage in £17 million transfer race to sign Aston Villa star. If that is the number that is in the mix for this particular deal, then I doubt this deal will get over the line. I'm sure it will cost Chelsea a lot more than that, and I'm sure Leon Bailey is worth his market value is a lot more than that. But yeah, that's basically the narrative surrounding this move. Will or can or does Raheem Sterling have a major role to play in getting this deal over the line? Hopefully he does, and hopefully he can convince Chelsea Football Club to go after Leon Bailey. Me personally, I would love to see Leon Bailey play where I believe his talent belongs, at one of the biggest clubs in the world. That's my 2 cents. Knock up like button, subscribe and share. Hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Take care and stay safe, guys.